This is the step-by-step tutorial of Petit Bizoo's favorite stay-home art kits, the Monet Lily Pond Sailboat. To begin, using the practice color mixing sheet, start creating different shades of the different colors. It is best to use a paper plate or an additional palette to mix the colors. Once you've created all of the different shades for the different colors, you are going to begin drawing on your sail. Start by sketching off the bridge, painting the colors behind it, above it. Impressionism is a style of painting that looks like an impression, not like a very realistic painting, so make sure you're blending and using individual brush strokes to create that look. Once you have blended your sky, then it is time to begin painting the pond below. Be sure to alternate different shades of blue to create the most realistic effect. Some shades of green for the algae, and some dots of brown for depth. Also be sure to leave some spots white. And those empty white spots, paint them with the white paint. Now it is time to paint your trees. Using darker and lighter shades of green, create a shadow and a highlight on your trees. Now it is time to paint your bridge. You can create highlights and shadows by adding blue on one end and a light white or green on another end. It is time to paint your lily pads. Get the light green and paint a large oval shape on your pond. Add dots of glue to the lily pad. Take the pieces of tissue paper, scrunch it into the shape of the lily, and place them on the glue dots. Set your sail aside, and now it is time to begin assembling the boat. Bend over the pieces of cardboard and secure with tape to create the shape of a boat. Be generous with the tape to ensure that it stays secure. Take the extra piece of cardboard and bend it on either side to create a bench on the inside of your boat. Tape that down as well. Now it is time to begin painting your boat. You can paint all of it on the inside and the outside, any color you like, or you can paint it brown to look most realistic. Streaks of blue will create a wood grain on your boat. Also add streaks of white and make sure you blend it really well to give it the most natural look. Paint your bench and place it on the inside of your boat. This next step is a little bit tricky and may require some adult assistance. Thread the twine through the hole punched in the back of the boat. Now attach it to the hole punched in the side of the sail. Stick your sail into the boat where the holes are on the top and the bench. The twine through the sail and tie it really nice and tight. Your boat is now complete. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more creative art ideas.